ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी एंड दैट्स व्हाट स्टूड आउट टू मी द मोस्ट. ये एक्शन बस हो गया वो पता नहीं, मैं सेट पे पहुंची एक दिन और हम क्लाइमैक्स या कुछ ऐसे कुछ सीक्वेंस शूट कर रहे थे और वासन ने बहुत कैजुअली बताया था, तो अभी यहाँ से भागना है, फिर यहाँ पे कूदना है, फिर यहाँ पे जंप करना है और यहाँ पे रोल करना है, यहाँ पे चढ़ना है. और मैंने बोला इसका कुछ मतलब तो ऐसे ये करना, हाँ ये करना है, लाइक नो रिहर्सल नथिंग, इट वाज जस्ट जो दिन में मतलब दिन पे मतलब वी वुड स्टार्ट द डे ऑफ शूट, वहाँ ही शूट होता था सब कुछ, जो भी क्रिएटिविटी सब कुछ वहाँ पे, बट ऑफ कोर्स द प्रेप वुड हैपन बिहाइंड द सीन्स अ लॉट बिटवीन द टीम, द एक्शन टीम and Vasan sir. So I think for me it was also a surprise कितना क्या कुछ करना था. But genuinely जो टेक अवे है मैं ये कहूँगी, जब आप ये एक्शन सीन्स भी देख रहे हो वो एक इमोशनल लेयर हमेशा आपके अंदर रहेगा. At least that's what I hope.
Great, वासन सर, मूवी काफी जगह शॉट हुई है, तो आपकी फेवरेट लोकेशन कौन सी रही?
बॉम्बे.
बॉम्बे. घर से घर तक.
घर से कहाँ नहीं, घर मतलब हम लोग आउटस्कर्ट्स में शूट करते हैं
जी.
जो आउटडोर ही हो जाते हैं
जी.
लेकिन हम बॉम्बे गए थे.
बॉम्बे गए.
और टोल नाका के पहले, क्योंकि वो खर्चा कम होता
ओके. चलिए मीडिया के कुछ सवाल ले लेते हैं. यस जी.
आप लोग जिसको सवाल पूछना है वो हाथ उठाएं.
Genuinely, I think I've been very blessed. I truly believe filmmaking is the filmmaker's medium. I respond to films like an audience when I watch them, when I read them, when I see them. तो जब मेरे पास एक स्क्रिप्ट आती है, मैं एक ऑडियंस की तरह पढ़ती हूँ, फिर अपने बारे में सोचती हूँ. And I genuinely think I'm not just being modest. I've been very lucky. Luck has to do a lot with it as well. Being given the opportunity to play a part like this. And I'm somebody when I go on set, even though I'm a co-producer on this film, I am the director's, puppet. Like whatever you tell me to do, I will do. And that's why for me the journey of an actor-director is so important. I think every actor will say that. In fact, yesterday only Vasan and I were talking. Whatever the fate of the film, I genuinely feel very strongly about the sync that he and I got on this film, prior to the film and on the shooting of the film, and I hold that very close to my heart. So, secret of success and all, ये मुझे पता नहीं है. Just very grateful, fingers crossed, keep the head down, keep working and keep moving forward.
So how do you define yourself as an actor?
How do I define myself as an actor? I don't know. It'll be sad to be definable so early on. I think let's maybe have this chat 20 years from now.
Absolutely. And there was one question we were all discussing. If you were to introduce your daughter to one movie, which one would that be? The first movie?
Actually,
Sorry, can I copy the question again?
Yeah, so your daughter to the one film, which is the first one you would want her to watch?
I was just discussing this the other day with somebody, and I'm not really sure because it's a very difficult, it's a very important decision to make. But just yesterday, she saw my first song which I ever shot in my life, and that's Radha Teri Chunri. So abhi usko gana thoda dikha rahe hain and all of that. She's about 2 years old. So actually the first song she saw was Kesariya, and then yesterday was Radha Teri Chunri, and she saw Badtameez Dil at the same time. दोनों के साथ हमारे गाने दिखाते. So she was thinking, hey, whatever, this is like normal.
Awesome. So Vedant, congratulations. They're calling you the new poster boy of Cool because after the suave regime we have Jigra here. So other than the Arya and Vasan, what was the thing that drew you to this particular film?
I mean everything about it, but it's just I didn't have the privilege to choose from anything that was there that time. This was when I hadn't even been launched yet with Archie's, and at that time this script came to me, and I only consider myself the luckiest person in the world to get this film, which was directed by Vasan sir alongside Alia, and yeah, I mean I think now is when I think. You look at scripts and you decide which route to take, what resonates with you the most. But at that time, it was just whatever came to me, and just went with that, and I got lucky.
Awesome. And lastly, Vasan sir, since you both hinted it, it's an interesting dynamics because usually you have the brother protecting the sister. So how did this idea come about and directing these two wonderful actors?
I'd written this with my co-writer Devashish, it's his debut as a writer. Wonderful guy. And how did this idea come about? It came across in a conversation with Karan. we were just discussing like what are the stories that we can explore, and this kind of came up, and he seemed really excited with it. So we went with the flow, and then one thing led to the other, and it happened. And directing them, I think I don't give too many instructions in that sense. I mean, the story is there, the scenes are written. So, I mean, we kind of discuss some interpretations and then we go along with it. Alia is really instinctive. Also, she keeps the process very invisible so that it's not a hindrance to the crew as to, oh, Alia aa gayi. Alia is there, sitting there only, and she's going nowhere, and she does her job. And I mean, for the superstar that she is, I mean, it's a treat for the crew. I think that's a really important thing. I mean, because being an artist, I think people get away with a lot, get by with a lot, but I don't think she takes that for granted, which is extremely special. And with Vedang, I really hope we make more films together. I really want to write more characters for him, and I really want to see him on screen in other people's vision as well, because I feel he's incredible. I mean, he's got it all. Great promise. And a welcome addition to to like a really fresh with a really fresh energy. So really looking forward to the next decade.
Thank you.
Hello. Hi, Alia.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Good, good.
I'm Anisha from India today. So I'm also an eldest sister. I have a 7-year-old younger brother.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so I know how protective you get
Yeah.
when you have your younger brother. Like, it's
इट्स वन ऑफ द मोमेंट्स आई चेरिश द मोस्ट कि हम सीन्स के बारे में बात कर सकते हैं और अगर मेरा कुछ डाउट है ये वो वी कैन डिस्कस विद ईच अदर एंड ही वुड डू द सेम थिंग ड्यूरिंग एनिमल आई नो काफ़ी कंपैरिजन्स वगैरह आए हैं ऑन द इंटरनेट मैंने देखा भी और मैं हंसी भी पर ऐसा कुछ नहीं है द थिंग इज़ कि हम जब स्टोरी टेलिंग and it's not only with Jigra or a film like Animal, any other film, the strongest emotional core is when you do something for your loved one. It's one of the genres. It's almost like a genre in itself. जो इतनी सारी movies बने हैं उस पे तो it's because we can talk about it क्योंकि ये पिछले साल रिलीज हो रहा है ये साल but apart from that there's no other similarity. Yeah, there's no competition.
11 अक्टूबर को रिलीज हो रही है राजकुमार राव की मूवी.
We'll take our last question, please. Anyone else? Can we please have a last question?
Okay, hi. Hi, Vedang. Himanshu this side from Newsbox.
Hello.
So हम आलिया भट्ट की जब भी कोई फिल्म देखते हैं तो उनकी आवाज़ उनकी हर फिल्मों में होती है और हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बहुत इम्प्रेसिव होता है. लेकिन दिस इज़ योर सेकंड फिल्म विद आलिया भट्ट. सो आपको मौका मिला है इस बार म्यूजिक मतलब गाने का और आप अभी आज जो हमने सॉन्ग लॉन्च भी देखा बहुत ही कमाल का था. तो एक बार लाइव भी अगर कुछ हो जाए हमारे सामने तो आलिया भट्ट भी साथ में.
आई थिंक नहीं मैं नहीं गाऊंगी. इट्स अ ग्रेट आइडिया. नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं.
नहीं वैसे हम गिटार लेके आए हैं.
सुपर. अगर ये तो
हम थोड़ा सा प्रिपेयर हो गए हैं.
अभी माहौल जमा सकते हैं इधर.
Yes, can we please have the guitar and the standing mic on stage, please? पूरी तैयारी करके आए हैं हम. हमने कहा आज
Sir, I'll sing Beach Beach में, but this is your.
तारा ना दिसे या चन खो जाए तनु संग रखना कुछ ना होवे या सब हो जाए तनु संग रखना वड्डी तो वड्डी कोई भी फौज आवे
तेनू संग रखना
तारा ना दिसे या चन खो जावे तनु संग रखना.
Oh, perfect. All right, perfect. We'll go for the